I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering up and preparing both devices. Plug the charger and wait until the battery reads at least 50% because initial pairing works smoother with mid-charge. Turn on the watch by holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once done, unlock your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and open the watch app. You will see a pairing screen. Follow the on-screen animation to scan the watch face. This immediate pairing step links hardware and starts data transfer. You now pair and configure system settings. Scan the animated pattern with your iPhone camera. If that fails, tap manual pairing and follow the codes. Sign in with your Apple ID to enable Messages, Health, and App Store. Make sure Location and Siri are allowed so features work properly. Create a passcode for security. Choose whether to install all available apps or only essential ones. Once you select sync settings, let the watch complete its initial data transfer. This can take several minutes. You finish by customizing and testing core functions. Pick a watch face and add complications for quick info. Adjust notification priorities so only important alerts break through. Test a phone call, send a message, verify the heart rate sensor reads correctly, and set up Apple Pay if you use it. If something goes wrong, start with simple fixes. Restart both your iPhone and watch, or reset the watch and reinitiate pairing. If problems persist, check Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Apple ID status before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.